Hey everyone, in today's video we'll be talking about how to gift games you already own. So let's get started. So now here we are on Steam and I'm currently logged in right here. So from here you simply want to go into the store. So let's say that we would want to buy a game right here. So for example, this one right here, I'm gonna click here and let's say that I have already owned this and I want to give this to my friend. So what I need to do is just scroll down and select the type of game right here or with the DLCs and so on right here. So let's say I want this one. So I'm going to click here on add to cart. And from here, I'm going to click here on view my cart and basically just remove the others that I don't want right there. And here it is. So from here, what you want to do essentially is that you want to click here and make sure that you want to click on this is a gift. And then after that, you will now be able to continue here to gift coupons. And then you want to click here and select gift recipient. And now you can just select the friend's name right here that you would want to give this to. So for example, this one, and then you can select a message right here. You can create your own message, and then you can set the delivery so as soon as possible, or you can schedule it if you would want it to be gifted on a specific time and date. And then after that, you want to click here on continue to payment and just pay for it. And just like that, you have now gifted this game right here, which you already own if you already own this one. And yeah, that is basically it for this video. Thank you for watching.